Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am with Adam Stringer, who is, so I'm the Director of Partnerships for Insta360 North America. I'm very happy to be here chatting with you again. We just met recently in Senegal and we're in our InfoComm, talking about this very special new little camera that I have in my hand. Let's hear more about it. Okay, so you've probably seen a lot of all the teasers for such a long time, but now it's actually out. You guys can go and pick this camera up. And a few special things. There's a lot to say about this camera. From a look at Walter, there's a little of cameras going on here. Which one? This one? You can do whatever you want. Okay, right. So there's a lot of special features about the Luna Ultra. But a few key ones I'd like to share with you guys is going to be 8K. It's got 10-bit. It's co-engineered with Leica. So we've got Leica optics, Leica lenses. We work with those guys on customizing all the lenses. And then also the color science of Leica too in the imagery as well. Some other nice features going to be this little screen on the front. So you can see here, can power it on like that. It's detachable. So then this screen comes off like this. And now I can remotely, let's see if we're zooming in, you can see the head of the camera moving. I can remotely adjust the direction of the camera. So me and Walter were just talking about before how he's going to be on road trips. He's got a little mount. He wants to put the Luna on the back of his car. If he's in the passenger seat, he could be sat with the camera. The Luna is literally mounted outside on the back of his car. He can hold a remote and then frame all these rolling shots of maybe his buddies driving alongside him or the landscapes and the scenery, all wirelessly via the remote that's built straight into the camera. So this is really a super special feature of the Luna. And yeah, we've got another remote here to show you guys as well. And we're recording on the Luna in 8K, 30 frames per second. I picked this up 2 days ago on Best Buy, not sponsored. Best Buy in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm going to be using this as my second camera with 8K footage, which is pretty phenomenal. This camera is FX6, so we're going to be doing direct comparisons between the Luna in, they call it iLog, right? Yeah. So I'm doing iLog, 30 frames per second, 8K. Perfect. And another thing I forgot to mention that I really love is the 6 times optical zoom now with the telephoto lens, and it's up to 12 times AI zoom. I was just showing Walter some little still shots I managed to get from videos of hummingbirds on my balcony, for example. Those were amazing. Super tiny, and I was able to zoom in so closely. And yeah, just had a gentleman walk right in front, but that's cool. But yeah, so hummingbirds. Optical zoom of Luna, I was so impressed. Hummingbirds are so tiny, but you can zoom in and get all the colors and all the details. So the zoom on this thing is crazy. And there's 2 cameras by Leica. The big thing for me is the iLog. So I want to, because I do everything in log. The battery. So I got the, what's it called? The creator kit that has everything. Right. That's right. Which is only like what, $200 more. Yeah. You get the battery, you get a little filter thing that goes on it, and you get the mic. Get the Mic Pro. And how much is the mic typically? It's not inexpensive for that one. Yeah, the mic typically is around $100 for this, but you get it in the kit, which is really nice for the creator bundle, and it pairs seamlessly with the Luna, and then it also has a really nice e-ink display on the front, so you can then customize and put your logo on it, just like we've got here. And with the Luna, you can do up to 2 mics, right? Yep, up to 2 mics. And then you can add a receiver and have a multiple transmitters. And the big thing for me, because I have a loud voice, it also records in 30-bit float. Yeah, absolutely. So it's, as well as the e-ink display, it's a phenomenal piece of kit. So thank you very much. I know you guys are busy. This is what's Insta360 doing at InfoComm? So here we're talking about, I'm mainly talking about the consumer electronics products like the X series, the Ultra, the Ace, and the Luna. But we've also got a full suite of video conferencing tools for enterprise use. So that's mainly the focus for InfoComm. Yeah, I saw you doing a presentation about 15 minutes ago. Yes, that's right. We've got lots of workshops and fun things going on. So yeah, if you're around for InfoComm, drop by, say hello. I'll see you hopefully at NAB New York, and then the other shows coming up, Pro Fusion Expo. I go to that one too.
Yes, perfect.
All right. Thank you very much, Adam. High five. Oh, one more time. I'm doing YouTube. Jeez, Adam. We got triple. All right. Thank you very much, Adam.